Hello friends, my name is Radha Masood. Today we will discuss about the topic 3-point estimate. This topic is very important and we will see this topic with respect to project management or PMI. That what does that mean by 3-point estimate of Pert? Main topic is Pert. Basically, Pert is a subtype of 3-point estimate. So basically we see that what does that mean by Pert or program evaluation review technique. Before going into deep, friend, I would just want to inform you that purpose of making this video is to make a very simple video so that any person who is studying project management in university, so this topic can be very helpful for you, because you must see this topic in the exam of university or PMP exam. You must see this topic, this so you can understand the importance of this topic with respect to exam point of view. This topic is very important and very easy to understand. Also, this topic is very important with respect to exam point of view. Why? Because it is a formula based calculation. So formula is very simple. If you can understand the concept of estimation, especially 3-point estimate or PERT, so this can be very helpful for you, because you can very easily score 5 to 6 questions very easily clear in the exam, if you know the concept of PERT or 3-point estimate. So this topic is very easy. Secondly, if you are a professional and working as a project manager in any organization, so again this topic would be very helpful for you, because you can understand the concept of estimation, and you know that as a project manager your main or core responsibility is to do the planning, and planning is based on estimations. So again this topic is very important to understand. Either you are a professional working in any organization, or you are a student and planning to give exam of university or PMP exam. So in either case, this is very important to understand you the concept of 3-point estimate of PERT, so that it can be very helpful for you in the exam or in the professional life. And my purpose of making this video is to make a very simple video, very easy to understand manner. I want to explain the topic so that you can utilize the knowledge in your practical life, in your educational life, and if you like, please share it with your friends and colleagues as well. So first of all, I would request to please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell option as well, so that my new videos can reach to you. So let's start. 3-point estimation or PERT. Friend, our main topic is PERT, program evaluation review technique. But before going into the deep, first of all we have to understand the 3-point estimation, because PERT is based on 3-point estimation. PERT is a subtype of 3-point estimation. Okay, so first of all, before going into the deep and using the formula of PERT, we have to understand what is 3-point estimation. Before going more into deep, I would like to ask from you that what do you think from estimation? What do you think that what is estimation? When estimation means that if you are building a house, and the most important question would ask from you is that how much time you need to complete a task and how much cost you need to complete a task. In terms of time and cost, you need some estimation. So that is called the main concept of estimation. Now coming towards main topic, 3-point estimation or PERT. PERT is basically based on 3-point estimation. So now just see this the term 3-point estimation. So here the 3-point estimation is meaning clearly that it is based, the estimation which we are doing is basically on 3 points. Okay, for example, if someone asks from you that how much time is needed to accomplish the task. For example, you are implementing an e-commerce solution and you have to build a payment module. So you need the estimation that how much time is needed to complete that particular task. Okay, so you need some estimation. Estimation means that you may ask from your team, you may ask from any expert judgment, you may check the historical information. So basically it is a estimation which is based on some inputs. Okay, so coming back to our the main example, 3 point estimation means that it has 3 points. First of all, the most important point is that in 3 point estimation, three figures are produced initially for every distribution that is required based on prior experience or best guesses. The first is most likely guess, which is the average amount of work the task might take. What does it mean? For example, most likely means, friend, that average. For example, if someone asks, if you are a project manager and you ask from a team, your technical lead, that how much time is needed for to build a payment module. So you can say as a average, on a average, like if there is no major issues and no any if there is no major issues, so on average you can say that 20 working days are required to accomplish a task. So this is a most likely case. Most likely means the average case. Average means that no such problem, no ideal condition, but on average it is the most likely case or best cases. The second one is the second estimate is the pessimistic estimate, which is the amount of work the task might take if the negative factors they identified do occur. For example, if any problem occur, if any issues occur, so pessimistic approach means that same approach of same example of payment module, so the technical lead can say that 30 days are required if any negative issues occur. Optimistic means the ideal condition, that there would be no issues, no problem, 100% everything is okay. So optimistic means that if we talk about the ideal condition, so we can say as a technical lead that in 10 days we can complete a task. So 3 point estimation. So now are you getting my point? So you now get 3 points, three estimates for a requirement. Are you getting my point? First one is the most likely. Most likely is the average. Average means that not so good, not so bad, on a middle way. Pessimistic means that negative issues are occur, like problems occur, some problem occurs. So pessimistic means the you are considering the negative factors here. Optimistic means that the ideal condition, there would be no issue, so you can the ideal condition you are considering. So there would be cases or three estimates are there. The most likely, average, pessimistic with negative factors, optimistic means ideal and no problem, no issues, no negative factors are there. So this is based on 3 points estimate. Now coming towards an example of Pert. Pert basically says, for example, take the same example of activity A, payment module building. Optimistic is 4 hours, most likely is 8 hours, and pessimistic is 16 hours. Optimistic means no issues, ideal condition. Most likely means average condition, and pessimistic means the problem, issues, negative factors are there. Okay, so Pert formula is that optimistic plus 4 into most likely plus pessimistic divided by 6. This is the formula of Pert. Remember one thing, that the Pert or program evaluation review technique is the estimation technique to get the estimates of a task, and the formula is optimistic plus 4 into most likely plus pessimistic divided by 6. This is the formula of the program evaluation technique or Pert. So now we just put the values here. Optimistic 4 plus 4 into 8 plus 16 divided by 6. So 52 divided by 6 and 8.7 hours is the Pert value, program evaluation review technique. Here remember one thing, friend, that Pert is a formula. Pert is the estimation technique we normally use to calculate and get the hours for a estimation for a task in terms of time or in terms of cost. You can use this formula. Just remember one thing, that Pert is a very simple technique for estimation. It is based on 3 point estimation. 3 points is optimistic, most likely, pessimistic. Optimistic means the ideal condition without any problems. most likely means the average condition, like no bad, no good. And pessimistic means the negative factors are there, you are considering, you are adding the negative factors. So this is called the PERT formula or PERT approach. I hope you like this video. If you like, please share it with your friends and colleagues. I have tried my level best to explain you the concept in a very easy to understand manner. If you still have any question or query, please do ask from me in the comment section. I would love to answer your queries. So thanks a lot for your time and watching the video. That's all from my side. Thanks a lot for your time.